When we first arrived in Bucharest, it was already raining, 下雨. It was windy, 刮风. The weather was not good, 天气不好. We got off the plane, 飞机. Immediately felt the cold wind. Cold wind is 冷风. That evening, it started snowing, 下雪. Snow kept coming down all night. The next morning at 4:20 a.m., all our phones went off with a weather warning, 天气警报. It says don't travel in the early morning. We had booked a train at 8:09 to visit a castle, but we couldn't get an Uber, no drivers available. So in the end, we had to cancel the trip. Over the next few days, we walked everywhere in the snow. 雪. The snow was very thick. 雪很厚. But it was also very slippery. 很滑. By the end of each day, our trainers, 运动鞋, were completely soaked. Luckily, our apartment was warm, 很暖. The radiator helped us dry everything overnight. Actually, I didn't feel extremely cold. 不太冷. But you definitely have to walk carefully. So here's a little winter tip. Bring extra socks. Challenging weather, but definitely an unforgettable experience. We were a little bit disappointed, 有点失望, because the cancellation of the castle trip. We decided to explore nearby, 附近. Just a short walk from our apartment, there was a beautiful bookshop, 书店, and it was already on our list to visit. When we walk in, it was stunning. High ceilings, warm lights, books everywhere, 书. It felt calm and peaceful, 很安静. Later, on the same street, we discovered a game exhibition, 游戏展览. It had interactive game, 互动游戏, including some classic ones from the 90s. It was really fun, 很好玩. The next day, it was still snowing. So we decided to go somewhere indoors, 室内. We visited this shopping mall, 商场. It has everything inside, shops, restaurants, games, and even ice skating, 滑冰. There were some arcade games, 街机游戏. We went to this museum, 博物馆, the Museum of Senses. It's amazing. We spent about an hour there. Really enjoyed it. Highly recommend it. In the evening, we watched a live performance, 表演, The atmosphere, 气氛 was amazing. We didn't understand the language completely, but some of the songs were in English, and the live orchestra was beautiful. Make sure you pre-book 预定. These kind of performances, they sold out very quick. It was a special experience. 特别的体验. This is where we stay. Airbnb 民宿. It was very warm, 很暖 and extremely clean, 非常干净. The temperature, 温度 inside was perfect. If you are interested in the full apartment tour completely in Chinese, please leave a comment below. 留言. I'll be very happy to make that for you. Let me show you around. First, the kitchen. 厨房. The apartment has everything we needed. 设备齐全. Now we walk into bedroom. 卧室. Radiator 暖气片. Living room 客厅. Toilet 厕所. Bathroom 浴室. Another bedroom 卧室. Then balcony 阳台. Beautiful view. We went to one of the most famous traditional Romanian restaurants, 传统餐厅. We had to book in advance, 提前预定, because it's always busy. When we arrived at 9 p.m. on a Tuesday night, the restaurant was already completely full. The atmosphere, 气氛 felt lively and warm. We ordered national pork knuckle, 猪肘. The skin was crispy, 很脆. The meat was tender, 很嫩. It was served with sour cabbage, 酸菜. Everything tastes amazing. Then we ordered bean soup in a bowl, bread bowl, 面包碗豆汤. For dessert, we had traditional Romanian donuts, 甜甜圈. They were served with sweet cheese, 甜奶酪, sour cream. The texture, 口感 was soft inside and slightly crispy outside. It wasn't too sweet, 不太甜. On the day we cancelled the castle trip, we went to supermarket instead. Supermarket 超市. It was quite hard to find vegetables, 蔬菜. I bought some bread, 面包, biscuit, 饼干, chocolate, 巧克力, fruit tea, 果茶. I warm up the meatball soup, 肉丸汤, served with bread as our breakfast, 早餐. We found a bakery called Luca. It's a bit like Greg's in the UK. We bought sausage roll, 香肠卷, and a cheese roll, 奶酪卷. And on another night, we went to a city grill The food was amazing again, 非常好吃. But the price was about half the first restaurant.
Thank you.
Here is our receipt, 收据. Also, we went to the shopping mall. There were many food choices, 很多选择. It was more like a food court, 美食广场. You choose your food and sit in the middle. The price is not too expensive, 不太贵. A meal about 7 to 8 pounds. No matter how well you prepare, unexpected things can still happen, especially in winter. Here are a few tips from this trip I would like to share with you. Number 1, pack extra socks. I sometimes wear 2 pairs of socks, so don't get wet feet so quickly. Number 2, choose a high-rated Airbnb with a good heating system. This is one of the best Airbnb I stayed in, with rating 4.9. Number 3 is stay in a city center, so you are within a walking distance of attractions. We were very close to the coffee shops and restaurants. Number 4 is pre-book popular restaurants and shows. I was so glad we booked it, popular restaurants and shows. Definitely couldn't book it on the day because so many people fully pack the place. Most importantly, enjoy the local culture, try the local food, make the most of the experience. If you enjoy this journey, subscribe and learn a little Chinese with me along the way. See you next time.